Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are absolutely fine. Today I'm going to show how to use a sniffing tool in your window. In every window there exists sniffing tool, but sometimes it is laborious to find out sniffing tool. But today I'm going to show very easy and effective way to find out this tool. Okay, now there is a shortcut key to use sniffing in every kind of window, and that is uh, window key, shift and S. Okay, if you click all window key, shift and S at same time, then it will automatically bring you into sniffing mode. Just for example, I'm going to take sniff my window. Okay, desktop. So for this I'm going to click window, shift and S key at the same time. Okay, window, shift and S. So by this way it will automatically put me into a sniffing tool, and I can going to I can sniff every person. Just for example, I am going to take a sniff this area. Okay, only this area. Yes, so after this page will pop up, and you can copy this, as well as you can save this as png file, jpg file as well. I'm going to save it as jpg file in my desktop. Okay, sniff first. Now I'm going to watch it on my desktop. Sniff first, here it is. So yes, by this way you can sniff every kind of picture, photos, every kind of required portion you want. So this much for today. Hope this video is very useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys. Have a good day.